Okay, so for this video, we're just going to do a quick example on how we're going to use the quadratic formula. Alright, so for example, let's just first show how we actually derive the quadratic formula. So we know that our quadratic equations all look of this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And we just learned completing a square. So assuming that you know how to do completing a square, the first thing we'll do is make sure that okay, the coefficient of x has to be 1. The coefficient of x squared has to be 1. Alright, so we divide all by a to ensure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. Alright, next thing we do is we shift our constant over to the right hand side. It's negative c over a. Right, and the next thing we're going to do now is complete the square. Now we recognize that a squared plus 2ab. Alright, so with 2ab we can see that this actually is like x squared plus 2ab, right? So we have 2x, and this is how to finish. You can change this to b over 2a, right? And so you see 2 times b over 2a. Okay, see, like this 2 actually is called, they cancel each other off to give us the b over ax. Right. Okay, so with that, right, we have equals to negative c over a. Right, so how do we complete the square? You recognize that this is the b, right? This is the 2ab. I mean, so called a squared plus like 2ab. So this is 2a. This is the b, right? Right, so what is the b square? The b square over here that I need to add is b over 2a square. Right, this is also b over 2a squared by virtue that we are balancing the equation. Now on our right hand side, you look at this total. This is a square. Now we have completed square. We can rewrite this as x plus b over 2a squared. On the right hand side, we have let me rewrite this nicely. Okay, this is 2. This is a negative c over a plus b over 2a squared. Alright, and after that I'm going to try to make x a subject. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to square root. So x plus b over 2a, this is plus minus square root c over a plus bracket b over 2a squared. Okay, and x equals to negative b over 2a plus minus square root c over a plus b over 2a square. Alright, oh sorry, I forgot negative sign here. Yeah, negative sign here. Alright, can, and with that, looking at this, right, okay, we just observe the inside. What happens inside the square root is that I make all of them the same. This is negative c over a, right? This is b square over 4a square, right? And 4a square, I can change this to 4a square. So similarly, what I can do is I can multiply this by 4a to get me 4a square. At the top, multiply by 4a, I have negative 4ac. Right, the proof doesn't really, you won't die if you don't know, because it will be given to you. So plus minus, okay, notice the top is b square minus 4ac, right? It's b square minus 4ac. The bottom will be square root of 4a square. Right, what is square root of 4a square? It's nothing but just 2a. Oh, so it's just 2a. Right, then you see, oh, same denominator. What we can do is we can rewrite it again. Right, x to be equals to negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Right, and it turns out that this is what we call the quadratic formula. Right, usually for your school exam papers, you'll be given in the formula list at the front page or second page of the exam paper where the formula list is. But so it'll be good if you can memorize this. Right, so with this in mind, let's just take a look at a simple example. Okay, so let's try to solve perhaps x squared minus 8x plus 11 equals to 0. Right, so simple one. Okay, so we recognize that our a Okay, ax squared, so this is a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 8, right? So because we are looking at ax squared plus bx plus c, b is the coefficient of your x, and what is c? C is equals to the constant, which is 11. So using the formula, x equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. All we need to do is just plug in. A is 1. Okay, so I take this out. I put in 1. B is negative 8. Okay, so I take this out. I take out all my b. I put negative 8. Alright, and this again will be negative 8 square. Negative 8 square. Right? What is A? Over here. Okay, I forgot. This is also 1. What is C? C is 11. Right, so just take C out and put in 11. Alright, and this will give you 8 plus minus plus 64 minus 44 over 2, which will give you 8 plus minus 20 over 2. Alright, and you simplify this further. 8 plus minus square root 20 over 2, this can be written as 8 plus minus square root 4 square root 5. So this is 2 square root 5 over 2, which is 4, and simplify again, you can get these two answers. Alright, so the two answers are 4 plus square root 5 and 4 minus square root 5. Okay, so this is a simple example on how to use the quadratic formula